Sanibona bafethu uvane lo ngiyababona abantu abaningi bekhuluma ngale game Orlando Pirates izolo bethi Orlando Pirates irobha iRichards Bay. iRichards Bay bekumele ngabe ithole ipenalty izolo ngenkathi uMakhehleni Makhawula ebamba ibhola ngesandla. But ke I feel like abalandeli abaningi abanalo iqiniso. Yabo abalandeli abaningi abanalo iqiniso when it comes to ibhola la South Africa. Siyabazi ko oref bala South Africa bafethu bakanjani. Ba inconsistent kakhulu bafethu abakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wabo kahle. Mulazi ibhola bafethu akusiyona ipenalty le. Uma uyibukile igame ungajaji ngale screenshot lesi abasiveze la. Yes kule screenshot kuzovelani na? Kuzovela uthi ibhola livela lashaya isandla. Cha, ibhola livelanga nje lashaya isandla. Ibhola liqale kuphi na? Liqale kuyidolo lakhe ubani uMakhehleni Makhawula lasela esandleni. Lokho lokho kubizwa ngani na? Kubizwa ngeball to hand. Uma kuyi-ball to hand ivele isuka kuyena umdlali. Lokho akubi bafethi penalty. Akubi ipenalty and akubi foul. Cause ibhola lisuke kuphi na? Lisuke kumdlali. Lisuke kumzimba womdlali kahle. Why ngisho njalo na? If nikhumbula kahle Orlando Pirates last week idlale nani na? Idlale nePolokwane City. Idlale nePolokwane City. Orlando Pirates yaphikelwa ipenalty. Njoba nje iphikelwa ipenalty angifuni uqamba manje ngiyibona kokuqala mina ngokwami ngiyibuka live game ngiyibona kokuqala I thought this was a penalty yabo until I saw i-replay. I saw ku-replay uthi oh no man ibhola lisuke ephi na? Lisuke kumdlali lisuke kwisifuba somdlali lase liya kwi-hand yabo ngaloko na akusiyona ipenalty because liqale esifubeni lase liya kuphi na lasiya liye esandleni i-ball to hand. Understandable ngikubona lokho yabo ngangacomplaina kakhulu. If you saw ama videos I didn't do a video regarding le penalty le because I saw ukuthi okay lisuke kumdlali lase liye esandleni. It's unfortunate ukuthi lisuke kumdlali lase liye esandleni ukube mhlawumbe umdlali akalithindanga ngesifuba bese sokhuluma enye into but ke lisuke kumdlali. That is the bottom line. So urefa decide ungayibeki ipenalty because they saw ukuthi ibhola liqale kuphi na? Liqale kumdlali. So many people were saying Orlando Pirates they must go and report this case to their nearest police station yabo which is not something you would want to hear if team yakho ngokwakho irojiwe. But ke kule game labantu abaningi abakhalanga kakhulu abama opposing fans. But ke uma iOrlando Pirates isithola into kanje uma oref sebejaja into kanje for Orlando Pirates kube ukuthi Orlando Pirates erobha. But Orlando Pirates last week amkhulumi ngento ya last season angikhulumi ngento ya le ngikhuluma into esathanda kwenzeka. Into esiyibone sonke igame Orlando Pirates idlala nePolokwane City ibhola liqala kwisifuba lesiye esendleni. Why abantu abaningi sebekhala uma siyenze weOrlando Pirates yabo as ama fans kumele sibe honest bafethu sibuke ibhola ngokulithanda sibuke ibhola ngokul-understanda futhi singayi kokugxaya kakhulu because lento leyo yokugxaya kakhulu ayikho right. Sometimes oref benze kahle kumele sibashayele ihlombe. Mina ngiyamshayela nje ihlombe uref wayizolo ngalento ayenzile but ke I feel like igame yayizolo uyimoshile uref. There were many decisions akungamele awenze yabo there were many decisions. Ipenalty Orlando Pirates yambuthuma kumele abayithola ipenalty lapha because umbuthuma uwisi but ke uref udecide ungayibeki ipenalty yabo there were many instances lapho khona uref enze igame ibhola. I feel like igame uyenze ngaye izolo but ke kule decision yaMakhehleni Makhawula he was very spot on kule decision leya because ibhola liqale emzimbeni. But ke wena ungangitshela ngokwakho do you think uyawazi kangcono yini ama rules ebhola?